What's up, guys? We're here for our 1718 UD Splendor 4 box number 2. Just gonna quickly show the teams. There are all the teams and the names of the people who have those teams. Time here in Montreal is 11:49. All right, guys. Number 2, number 2, number 2, number 2. Serial number. Serial number. If you want to see these serial numbers, you can go check the number 1. Here we go, guys. Box 1. Let me just adjust this real quick. Okay. Box number 1. Here we go, guys. Good luck. Pierre-Luc Dubois, number to 36. 3 color. For Columbus. Who has Columbus? Mathieu. Nice. If I don't have your address, guys, please send me your address. And also, if you want tracking, it's going to be on you. I'll pay some. You guys are just going to pay a little of it. This is Erik Karlsson, number to 15. Who's this? Wayne. Congrats, bro. There it is, man. Erik Karlsson. Nice. Erik Karlsson. For St. Louis, Brett Hall. Who has St. Louis? Tristan. Oof. They fucked up on this card, man. Look at there's a lot of room in there, bro. This card moves around pretty good. Number to 27. Guys, if you have not sent in your payment for number 3, now is the time. We want to break number 3, and I'm still missing a bunch of payments there, guys. Bobby Hall for the Blues. Look what they did. I don't know if it shows on camera, but you see, it only takes like half the loader. You might want to change it or something when you get it. All right, last box of this break, guys. Good luck. Oh, this is a sick piece. Look at that. Dominic Hasek for Buffalo. Who has Buffalo? Jeremy. Nice, bro. This is a nice piece right here. Number to 22. Look at that patch right there, guys. So Dominic Hasek, Erik Karlsson. This here in a super fat case, like, I don't know why. Brett Hall for the Blues. And we have Pierre-Luc Dubois for Columbus. Thank you very much, guys. If we can fill the break like quickly, because it's midnight and I've been up since 5 a.m. and I'm extremely tired. If the other break we can fill it without a mini, guys, we'll do it. Mini, I think, was gonna take too long. If I do that, I'll be up till 1:30 in the morning, and I really don't feel like doing that, guys. So if you guys are gonna fill that break, we can do the break. If not, it's gonna be tomorrow afternoon. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate the support. You guys are awesome as always. Thank you, thank you, thank you.